that. Sorry for the wire mesh fence, but what can you do, you know? Look at that. That deep or what, man? This must be about 40 feet deep, I figure. I've never seen a street dug up so deep and so large before. I mean, look how far down that goes. It's fascinating. Amazing. So I just spoke to a foreman, and he told me that, and I thought this was actually, this whole big fucking hole was for piping infrastructure, you know, of the city. But as a matter of fact, it turns out they're actually digging up this street, and they're going to dig it up another 15 feet so they can put a ventilation shaft for the Montreal Metro Green Line, which runs down there, where I'm pointing. Or actually right over here, right near here. And because you see that line, the green line, which is the oldest line in the city, is the oldest equipment, the MR63 Metros that dates back to 1966 construction. So it runs the hottest. It's incredibly hot in there. And so that's what they're doing. They're going to put in some fresh air in there. That's fascinating. See, now I'm really glad I came back here, you know? That's awesome. That's a serious fucking project, man. You know? That's amazing. Yeah, this type of job is really not for the weak, you know? Amazing. Damn fence, you know? Good for security, but not good for me.
Down you go.